Photocopying paper is sold by the ream. A ream is 500 sheets of paper. The most common size of paper used is A4. An A4 sheet measures 297mm by 210mm. It is part of the A series of paper sizes, which is based on the A0 size. An A0 sheet measures 1189mm by 841mm and is almost exactly 1 square meter in area. As the diagram shows, an A1 sheet is half the area of an A0 sheet, an A2 sheet is half the area of an A1 sheet, an A3 sheet is half the area of an A2 sheet, and so on. The length of the longest side of an A5 sheet is closer to 420, 297, 210, or 149mm. Let's go and understand what our large diagram and its implications for the rest of the smaller sheets. We're looking for the long side of an A5 sheet. Let's show that on our diagram here. To find this, we need to go down and half our length each time we step down a paper size. For example, we know that each of these, this for example, is halfway in this distance because of the way the A series of paper works. And hence that'll work for this dimension here as well. Hence we know that this length is half of 841 or 421mm. Remember that the long side of A5 that we're looking for, this here, is half of that again. So dividing that by 2 will give us 210.5mm as the length of the longest side of an A5 sheet. So what is this closest to? This is closest to C, 210mm.